Hi guys, hello guys, good morning. Today is the 13th January 2022. Very early in the morning, 4 a.m. in the morning, 4 बज रहे हैं सुबह के, and we are all set to leave for Ooty from Hyderabad. It's from my home to that resort. We are staying in hotel resort. It is 866 kilometers, and that is Google Maps is showing around about 16 hours with breaks. We intend to beat Google's time and make it 16 hours with breaks. So we are starting at 4 around about. We are all set. You can see that our luggage and all, wife and son is ready, and our luggage and all is ready. So we intend to leave in another 5-10 minutes, and we'll starting at around about approx 4, and we intend to reach by 8 in the evening to Ooty, to our resort, Hotel Lakeview Resort. Google Maps is showing 16 hours. So once we start, we'll see you there. Once we load the bags, and we'll see you there. This is going to be an exciting journey, 16-hour journey with breaks. So see you, and we are going to be in Ooty for next today, including today's night, 3 more nights, and we'll come back by Monday evening. We'll start on Monday evening from Ooty and reach Hyderabad by Monday late night. Okay, bye. See you when we start the journey. So guys, our car is all loaded up, and we are all set to leave to Ooty from Hyderabad. See, it is 4:19, almost 4:15. सवा 4 बज रहा है लगभग, 4:20 हो रहा है. So we intend to reach by 8:30 because Google Maps is showing close to 16 hours, and Bangalore Highway is pretty good. We'll go via Bangalore outskirts as well as Mysore outskirts as the way showing. Bangalore और Mysore होके जाना पड़ेगा Ooty. So it is 866 kilometers from our home to that hotel resort we are staying in, Lakeview Resort, Ooty. So it is going to be a 16-hour journey, and we are starting now via Bangalore, via Mysore. So it is a pretty good highway. मैं 100 से 120 मेंटेन कर लूँगा आराम से कई अच्छे पैचेस पे, जो Bangalore हाईवे पे है और Mysore हाईवे पे भी. So we intend to reach by 8:30, and in between we'll also connect while showing some shots, and or we take some breaks. Okay, see you then. Let us start. Happy journey. Okay, bye. Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Jai Shri Hanuman. Jai Shri Ram. Bye. See you. So hello guys, we are at the outskirts of Anandapur right now. We have stopped for a small tea break. This is one restaurant, something cha. This is one restaurant here. We have stopped for a tea break, small tea break in the morning. It's 9:25 in the morning. Just we did in 5 hours. We are almost 5 hours. We have done from our place. And 365 kilometers we have done, almost 500 kilometers most to go. The total distance was 866. We have done 365 kilometers already, and 500 more kilometers to go. 365 we have done in 5 hours at an average speed of 73 kilometers per hour. And this is the place we have stopped. This is our car standing right here. My son is sleeping in the car. I don't know if you are able to see or not. Hi. So okay, this is Anandapur, outskirts of Anandapur. Bangalore is another 200, and then another 300 from Bangalore via Mysore to Ooty. And we'll see you when we stop for lunch on the outskirts of Bangalore probably, or some kilometers from Bangalore on the highway. 1 minute के बना बस. स्पीडोमीटर दिखाना है मेरे को, स्पीडोमीटर दिखा मेरा स्पीडोमीटर, जूम करके, अगर जूम करना पड़े जूम कर लेना, स्पीडोमीटर दिखाओ, 100 से ऊपर गाड़ी दौड़ रही है। अब सामने दिखाओ, 1 मिनट पूरा करके बंद कर दो। Hello guys, so we have stopped at our restaurant on the this Mangalore highway, basically Bangalore highway. From there it will go to Ooty. So Ooty is now 280 something kilometers from here, our resort. 280 something kilometers from here. We have already covered around about 580 kilometers, 580 or 590 kilometers. Till now it is 145 now. So almost we did, and we started at 4:15 or 4:30 in the morning. So it was like 9.5 hours. 9.5 hours we have completed, 9.5 hours, and with Bangalore traffic we have completed 580 or 590 kilometers. Still we have some 280 kilometers to go, and it will take 5 hours 30 minutes. That is what Google Maps is showing. So we are here for lunch. We are seated here for lunch, and we have ordered one butter chicken, one chicken curry, tandoori rotis and rice. So when it comes, we'll have our lunch and we'll start straight away. हम लोग सीधा start कर देंगे उसके बाद. This is 1:45. We hope to wrap up by 2:30 or something, and then we start. By 8, we think we'll reach Ooty, our hotel, our resort, Hotel Lakeview. Let's see. At 2:30 we start. Then let us have some lunch. When lunch comes, we'll have lunch and then we'll go. Okay. We'll connect. So guys, we had our food just now. We had our lunch. Chicken curry, mutton curry and rice and chapatis. My son had mutton curry and rice. I had chicken curry and chapatis. Now at the same restaurant we have a cafe also. There we are having tea because I have to drive still 250 kilometers. I was mistaken in the last clip. I told that we have done 590 kilometers. Actually we have done 610 kilometers and 257 kilometers are still pending. That will take 5 to 5.5 hours as shown by Google Maps. And 257, so 610 is done. And because I'll drive still in the night and in a little evening also, I'm having tea before we start, so that I feel better while driving 5 to 5.5 kilometers. So I'm having tea now and we'll connect to you later. See you. Hello guys, so we are inside the Bandipur Tiger Reserve and we are heading towards Ooty. Ooty, our resort is just 50 kilometers from now. Here this is Bandipur Tiger Reserve. We have seen अभी कुछ हमने stags देखे, and I hope we can see some more animals here. Stags देखे कुछ खड़े हुए थे बहुत सारे झुंड में, and we are inside the Tiger Reserve now and we are heading towards our resort in Ooty. We are almost 50 kilometers from our resort and this is a nice experience. Going evening में हम लोग जा रहे हैं अभी inside the Bandipur Tiger Reserve. आई थिंक टाइगर तो शायद नहीं दिखे, बट छोटे मोटे जानवर दिखते रहेंगे, स्मॉल एनिमल्स एंड ऑल वी कैन सी. सो ओके, सो काट दे दूसरा पार्ट. गाइस सी एलिफेंट. वी हैव स्पॉटेड एन एलिफेंट एट बंदीपुर टाइगर रिजर्व. वी हैव स्पॉटेड एन लाइव एलिफेंट एट बंदीपुर टाइगर रिजर्व. जूम. A live elephant. We have just witnessed at Bandipur Tiger Reserve just as I exit. See what he's doing alone. Okay, then we must not step too much here. Okay. Hello guys. So finally we have reached our Lakeview Resort in Ooty, and see our room. This is our room. This is our deluxe cottage. Basically, one hall is there with dining table and one bedding sofa and one pair of sofa for sitting, and there is one bedroom. Basically there is one bed for a child and couple. This is a room and this is one hall. Basically one hall, one TV, and this is the dining table, and food you can order by calling. This deluxe cottage costed me around about 2,500 per night. We are staying here for 4 nights, so we paid almost close to 10,000 for it, 9.5 to 10,000. And see, every room here, every cottage has a facility of parking the car in front of villa only. I'll show you, my car is parked right here. See, my car is parked in front of our villa. Hi guys, I'm not sure you are able to see my car or not. It's parked right in front of villa. These are the villas. It's actually a little night. And this is our cottage, dealer's cottage. And we are staying here for 4 nights in Ooty, and we'll roam around here and there. Okay, so see you once we order something and get freshed. Fine. This is the view from here. Cars are parked right here in row houses, villas. In front of our cottage only, car is parked.